Hello, good morning. In the previous class, we are calculating the two relations, that is the relation between y, k and eta. So we have, by using this equation, so we write here firstly, that is first relation, y is equals to 3k 1 minus sigma, okay, sorry, 1 minus here twice sigma. This is the first relation, and second relation, y is equals to twice neta 1 plus sigma. So these two relation we already calculated in the previous class, that is the relation between y, k and sigma, and relation between y, neta and sigma. So by using this relation we have to prove this equation 9 by y is equals to 3 by neta plus 1 by k. So here we write in equation first number and equation second number. So by using this equation, so after solving this equation number second, so we get, if we solve in this bracket, equation second implies, okay, y is equals to, solving this bracket, twice neta into 1 means twice neta plus twice neta and sigma. We use another method, that is y by neta. Here we will directly calculating y by neta is equals to the remaining 2 into 1 2 plus twice sigma. Okay. Then equation first implies y by k is equals to 3 minus 6 sigma. Here 6 and sigma. Here 3 and 6, so we write here 3 and again, sorry, 3 minus, sorry, k minus twice sigma. Sorry, 1 minus, here 1 minus twice sigma. 1 minus twice sigma is equals to y by 3k. So this is the equation number 3 and equation number 4. Y by neta is equals to, equation 2 implies y by neta equals to 2 plus 2 sigma. This is the third number equation, and equation first, by using equation first we derive this y by 3k is equals to 1 minus twice sigma. So adding equation 3 and 4 we get, adding equation 3 and 4 we get, what we get by adding this equation, because here we have to need 9 by y first and 3 by neta and 1 by k in the last. So that's why this is the first first left hand side we are adding first. So that is y by neta plus y by 3k is equals to, right side first we add, and 2 plus 2 sigma plus 1 minus twice sigma. So here twice sigma cancel, okay, and 2 plus 1 we get 3. So write in here y by neta plus y by 3k is equals to 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 3. So we have to prove 9 by y. Okay, and here we are only 3, here 1 by neta as we already have, and 1 by k here already, but extra term is this is the 3 extra term and y extra term. So multiplying this equation by 3 by y, multiplying both sides by 3 by y. Okay, what we get? Y by neta into 3 by y plus y by 3k multiplied by 3 by y is equals to 3 into 3 by y. What we get? This y and y cancel. Here y and y cancel. And here 3 and 3 cancel. So remaining term, that is the 3 by neta plus here 1 by k is equals to 3 3 is a 9 by y. Okay. So this is the proof of our equation, but we writing right side 4, that is 9 by y is equals to 3 by neta plus 1 by k. So this is the required expression what we prove. That is 9 by y is equals to 3 by neta plus 1 by k. Okay, that means this is the relation between the elastic constant, that is y, k and neta. This is the most important equation according to exam point of view. So understand very well. Okay. This is the three modulus, that is the Young's modulus, this is the bulk modulus, and this is the modulus of rigidity, that is the neta. Means this is the required relation between the three elastic constant. So the next one is the last equation. Next one is the expression for sigma in terms of k and neta. In terms of k and neta, that is the relation between the sigma, k and neta. So we have the two relation, y is equals to 3k 1 minus twice sigma, and secondly y is equals to twice neta 1 plus sigma. So this is the first number equation, this is the second number equation. So equating both the equations means here left hand side becomes y, so that's why right hand side becomes same. Left hand side, right hand side become same. So therefore equating the equation 1 and 2, we get 3k 1 minus twice sigma is equals to twice neta 1 plus sigma. Okay. So solve this equation, solve this bracket, we get 3k into 1 3k minus 3 to the 6 6k sigma is equals to twice neta into 1 twice neta plus twice neta and sigma. Okay. So rearranging the term, so here sigma term, here sigma term, we have to expression for sigma, therefore we are equating this sigma and this neta. 3k minus here goes to this side and here goes to this side. 3k minus twice neta is equals to 6k sigma plus twice neta and sigma. Then again 3k minus twice neta is equals to, here sigma common, 6k plus twice neta. Okay. So therefore sigma is equals to, sigma is equals to 3k minus twice neta, 3k minus twice neta divided by 6k plus twice neta. So this is the expression for sigma in terms of k and neta. Okay. So this is the last one expression which we will perform here by using this equation, or this is the relation between sigma, k and neta. So this is the fourth one equation, that is the last equation. After that we are continuing the real topic. Up to this we are seen in the 12th science, but before in this session, that is the BSc part 1, we have to study after that topic, that means the real topic. Okay, that is the work done in stretching a wire, torsional pendulum, and twist in the cylinder. That is the most important topic according to exam point of view. So listen carefully and understand carefully. Okay, so in the next class we will see work done in the stretching wire. Thank you.